nampak dah. Bukan. Itu lori. Bukan kota hitam. Kota hitam tak nampak ni. Dah bawa ke Singapore. Apa? Tak bawa. Itu yang story dekat Metro Lock. Ni nak cakap audio apa ni? Boleh cakap kan? Audio kan? Ya, terima kasih Siti Khadijah Jepang. So we don't need to worry. I don't even need to remember.
Yeah. We can take care with that. If you lose, after that, it's out. Okay, guys. Have a good day.